10 डिसेंबर मानवी हक्क दिवस म्हणून संपूर्ण जगभरामध्ये साजरा करण्यात येतो. मानवी हक्क म्हणजे सर्व मनुष्याला प्राप्त झालेले असे मूलभूत अधिकार, जे त्याच्या राष्ट्रीयत्व, निवास, लिंग, जात, वर्ण, धर्म, भाषा किंवा इतर कोणत्याही स्थितीवर अवलंबून नसते. यामध्ये कुठल्याही प्रकारचा भेदभाव नसतो. समाजातील प्रत्येक व्यक्तीचे स्वातंत्र्य अबाधित राहावे, तसेच व्यक्तीला सन्मानपूर्वक जगता यावे, यासाठी 10 डिसेंबर हा दिवस आंतरराष्ट्रीय मानवी हक्क दिवस म्हणून साजरा केला जातो. चला तर मग या दिवसाबद्दल अधिक माहिती जाणून घेऊयात.
Human Rights Day is observed every year on 10th December. Human rights are the basic rights that belong to every person in the world from birth until death. They apply regardless of where you are from, what you believe, or how you choose to live your life. Human rights are based on shared values like dignity, equality, respect, independence, regardless of birth, race, color, religion, language, or other status. Human rights are moral norms that describe certain standards of human behavior and are defined and regularly protected by law. They can never be taken away, although they can sometimes be restricted. The important human rights are right to life, equality, liberty, personal security, freedom from slavery, freedom from torture, right to information, right to education, right to work, and many more. This year's Human Rights Day theme relates to the COVID-19 pandemic and focuses on the need to build back a better, sustainable world by ensuring human rights in the recovery efforts. We will reach our common global goals only if we are able to create equal opportunities for all, address the failures exposed and exploited by COVID-19, and apply human rights standards to tackle inequalities, exclusion, and discrimination. Today, 10th December, Human Rights Day is an opportunity to reaffirm the importance of human rights in rebuilding the world we want, the need for global solidarity and humanity. We must aim to stand up for human rights and fill all the gaps in human rights protection.